First, I will model the shape of the plant by scaling and beveling the edges, and after that, I will shade smooth. Then I'll open up the shader editor and create a new material. I'll add a noise texture, then set it to heteroterrain and duplicate it and connect the factor output of the second to the vector of the other. Now, if you have your node Wrangler enabled, press Ctrl-T on your keyboard to bring up the mapping node. Now, connect the object to the vector of the mapping node. Then add a color ramp and change the color to any color of your choice. I chose a reddish-brown for the first handle, then I duplicated it to the second handle and then made it lighter. Now add another color ramp. Add a bump node, then connect the color output of the color ramp to the bump node, and then connect the initial noise texture to the color ramp input and connect the other color ramp to the base color of the principal BSDF. Now make adjustments with the scale to make it look more like wood. When you are satisfied with how it looks, you can now connect the bump node to the vector input of the principal BSDF. Reduce the strength of the bump node to your liking to make it look more like wood. Adjust some of the settings to refine the wooden texture. Add another color ramp to control the roughness. Invert the black and white values with the sliders. Adjust it until it looks good enough. Invert the bump node for better results. Refine it a little bit more, and now you have your stylized wooden texture. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.